Let's journey back in time and dive into the major events of 1998. January 26th, President Bill Clinton makes headline news denying allegations of an affair with Monica Lewinsky. February 7th, the 1998 Winter Olympics open in Nagano, Japan, showcasing the world's prime winter sport athletes. February 23rd, Osama bin Laden publishes a fatwa, declaring jihad against all Jews and Crusaders. March 23rd, the 70th Academy Awards ceremony is held. Titanic sweeps the Oscars with 11 awards. April 10th, the Good Friday Agreement is signed, marking a significant step in the peace process of Northern Ireland. May 28th, nuclear testing in India prompts international sanctions against the nation. June 25th, Microsoft releases Windows 98, the successor to Windows 95, featuring numerous system improvements. July 5th, Japan launches the Nozomi probe, aiming to study Mars' atmosphere and surface from orbit. August 7th, U.S. embassies in Kenya and Tanzania are bombed, leaving hundreds dead and thousands injured. August 15th, the Real IRA detonates a bomb in Omagh, Northern Ireland, resulting in a tragic massacre. September 4th, Google is founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in Menlo Park, California. October 1st, Vladimir Putin becomes the head of the FSB, the Russian intelligence service, solidifying his political rise. October 29th, Space Shuttle Discovery launches with John Glenn, marking his return to space after 36 years. November 20th, the International Space Station, ISS, sees the first module, Zarya, launched into orbit. December 4th, the Unity module is added to the ISS, a major milestone in international space cooperation. December 16th, Iraq disarmament crisis, Operation Desert Fox is launched by the United States and the United Kingdom. December 19th, President Bill Clinton is impeached by the House of Representatives over the Lewinsky scandal. December 29th, leaders of the Khmer Rouge apologize for the 1970s genocide in Cambodia. The FDA approves Viagra, a medication used to treat erectile dysfunction, sparking significant commercial and cultural impact. This was a short exploration of year 1998. Comment to suggest new timeline. Like and follow for more.